You know what this is. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I really like the looks of it, but what I don't like is that there's no bumper. There's a guy on YouTube, DoRC, that made a bumper on there. Not made a bumper, but he took this from Traxxas. It's from a Slash bumper, and he customized it to put it on there. And I did something else, so I made it a little bit longer, so I'm going to show you how I did. So this is the number. The bumper looks like this, not like this, of course. It looks like this. What did DoRC do? He cut it over here, where you see normally there's a thickening over here. See, this went like this. Normally it starts to go thicker over here, but we cannot use that. So what do I want? I want it to go further, so I can put 3 screws in there to give it more strength on there, and that it protects this hole, that there's not going to be any sand or debris in there, so it's going to be more cleaner for the car. First, if you take this screw out, that's this one, you have to take a screw that's a little bit longer. On the front, for these two, we use an M3 by 30 millimeters and a washer on there. I'm also going to put the measurements on there where you have to cut this piece off. So I cut 50 millimeters over there, and then I had to clean this all out. See, now you see where the holes are. What can you do? With a marker, mark the holes. You see where you mark the holes? Now you have to drill. This is a 2 millimeter drill bit, so you make little tiny drill holes. Voila! Now you drill them through, so the screws fit. Then you countersunk a bit, and then it's flush. So these are M4s, so we need a hole of 4.5. Let's see how it is with 2 holes. So I'm going to put the slightly longer screws in there. This is good or not? Yeah, I kind of like it. I'm not going to drill that hole. I'm not going to put a longer screw in there. I'm going to loosen that up, loosen this one up, put the other original screw back in there. And I had a Slash a couple of years ago, and the bumpers are real tough. Check if everything turns freely, because otherwise, if these screws are too long, if you take them 5 millimeters longer than the original ones, nothing's going to happen. Otherwise, if you take them too long, you're going to bust your ring gear. You push it in here like that, but now the bumper protects this one. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.